Ningizimu Afrika, Mzansi, sanibonani, nginibingelele kuphi nakuphi la enibukele khona-ke makuthi-ke usuku lakho lokuqala uyithola-ke uhlangana nalo mbukiso. Ngicela ungalenzi iphutha kusekhaya la, subscribe kwi-channel, ulike ivideo ebese-ke uciphiza i-notification bell. Wenzelani? Wenzela ukuthi-ke mangifaka ivideo wena-ke bese-ke uthola i-notification, then ngokushesha bese uyangena kwivideo uyayibuka. SikuTrend TV siyaqinisekisa-ke ukuthi-ke sikulethela-ke lolu daba olusuke lusematheni ngalolu suku. Ingane kwethu sikubhekela-ke nje kuyindaba okuyizona eyisematheni njengamanje. Umholi we-EFF okuyiqembu-ke lezepolitiki engicabanga ukuthi-ke sonke siyalazi, umnumzane uJulius Malema usegwetshwe u5 years ebhadla ejele. Mhlawumbe kunomuntu ozoyibuza ukuthi-ke uJulius Malema ngabe iliphi icala akade ebhekene nalo. uJulius Malema ngonyaka ka-2018 kwakunomcimbi laphaya endaweni yase Eastern Cape eMdantsane, la uJulius Malema owabonakala ethatha isibhamu kwi-bodyguard lakhe wasiqhumisa esibhekise phezulu. Then-ke ngonyaka ka-2025 uJulius Malema-ke ube esethweswa icala lokuqhumisa-ke isibhamu phambi kwabantu in public. So icala lakhe belikade lithethwa futhi nakulona-ke usuku lwanamhlanje. Then-ke inkantolo yaphuma-ke nesinqumo sokuthi-ke imgwebe u5 years, iminyaka emihlanu ebhadla ejele. Nokho-ke ngasesadini lakhe usanethemba lokuthi-ke mhlambe isigwebo sakhe singase sibuyekezwe noma icala lithethwe kabusha, ngoba abameli bakhe ngathi bazofaka noma bazokwenza i-appeal yokuthi-ke isigwebo mhlambe sehle noma-ke icala libuyekezwe kabusha, okanye mhlambe icala kube ukuthi-ke mhlambe liyaphela nya. Abantu-ke baseNingizimu Afrika ngokwabo basijabulele lesigwebo. Khumbula ukuthi-ke uJulius Malema kunenkulumo yakhe nje la akhombise khona ukuseka abantu bokufika abala eNingizimu Afrika. Yize abantu okungabahlali bala eSouth Africa bekhala ngokuthi-ke kunabantu abala eNingizimu Afrika ngokungemthetho, okusho ukuthi abanawo amaphepha ukuthi babe la eSouth Africa. Lokho okwenza ukuthi abantu bala eSouth Africa bagcine sebengayitholi imisebenzi. So isigwebo senkantolo abantu bakhombise ukuthi-ke bayasenamela kakhulu la eSouth Africa. Kodwa-ke ingane zakwethu, ake ngudlalele le video le nawe-ke uyizwele isinqumo senkantolo, uyizwele ngokwakho ukuthi ingabe sihambe kanjani. Nayi ivideo.
Careful consideration, and I can show you I have done so, free of any interference. This judgment or sentence is the sentence of this court and this court alone. In respect of count 1, you are sentenced to a period of 5 years imprisonment. In respect of count 2, you are sentenced to a period of 2 years imprisonment. In respect of count 3, you are sentenced to 20,000 rand or to undergo 6 months imprisonment. In respect of count 4, you are sentenced to 20,000 rand or to undergo 6 months imprisonment. In respect of count 5, you are sentenced to pay a fine of 20,000 rand or to undergo 6 months imprisonment. In terms of section 280 subsection 2 of Act 51 of 1977, the court orders that the sentence imposed in respect of counts 2, 3, 4 and 5 run concurrent with the sentence imposed in respect of count 1.
Yes, the court, please.
You may be seated. Thank you.
Ayike ngane zakwethu, ngithembe ukuthi-ke ivideo niyibonele impela. It is confirmed ukuthi uJulius Malema ugwetshwe u5 years inkantolo. Nokho-ke usazokwenza i-appeal, sobona ukuthi kwenzakalani after sesubmithe i-appeal. Awushiye i-comment lapho umbono wakho kwi-comment section, ungitshela ukuthi wena uzizwa kanjani ngalezi zindaba. SikuTrend TV izohleze ikhona inilethela-ke indaba eyisematheni usuku nosuku. Asihlangabezane kwivideo elandelayo.